Understanding I'll Play It by Ear. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, I'll play it by ear. This expression is quite common in both casual and formal conversations. Understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, I'll play it by ear, is used to express that someone intends to decide the course of action as they go along, based on the situation at hand, rather than planning everything in advance. It suggests a flexible and adaptive approach. For instance, if you're not sure how your day is going to unfold, you might say, I'll play it by ear, indicating that you'll make decisions based on what seems best at the moment. Interestingly, this phrase originates from the world of music. To play by ear means to play music not by reading written scores, but by playing what sounds right according to the musician's listening and intuition. This musical practice has become a metaphor for handling situations spontaneously in everyday life. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use I'll play it by ear in conversation. Making plans. Are we going to visit the museum or go shopping tomorrow? Let's see how we feel. We'll play it by ear. At work. Do you have a strategy for the meeting with the clients? Not exactly. I've prepared the basics, but I'll play it by ear depending on their reactions. In social settings. What time will you be at the party? I'm not sure. I have a few things to do first, so I'll play it by ear. There are other ways to express the same idea without using this exact phrase. For instance, we'll see how things go. Let's decide on the fly. We'll take it as it comes. These variations can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your personal preference. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of I'll play it by ear. It's a fantastic phrase that can add a touch of spontaneity and flexibility to your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, so don't be afraid to play it by ear sometimes. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more English language tips. See you in the next video.